am Arun Sani.
I am Zaid.
Today we will show you our school. That name is Rambali Rational Residential School. So Jad, let's go.
Yes. We are moving here, and you are seeing the background of our school, and this is Rambali, where we are right now.
We
And
can.
here we have been given no task right now. That's why we are giving you entertainment, and we are also get entertained in order to talk to you. Nothing new here. At random, we are contacting with all of you.
Yes, we will show you the facilities of our school. This is the best school in our area. So you can see that there
Uh,
is. Uh,
Yes, right now we take all of you to the ground, and in the ground there is something interesting for you all. There are lots of plants established here. As we would like to go there, then you will really see them. Yeah.
Now you
As
can see.
this is the ground in our school, and here you can see all the things that are here. As this is a plant, and we would like to go to the rose, as we are going to the
This
rose.
is our best flower and we like it so much. Whenever we go somewhere, we put this flower in our pocket.
As this is my favorite one, and I think yours will be also. This is rose. It smells very good, and there are other so many things here. And as we would like to go under the tree, under the
Playground.
mango tree, and it has grown up, and after some times it will give us mango. After some times it will give us mango, and here you can see something. As this is a small mango that is not ripe, it's raw. If I pluck it, it's not it is going to be ripe after some time, so but it is raw right now.
Yeah,
And
as well as my friend Jed has told you the facilities about the play, and now I would like to tell you the about the playground. There is so many what we call Jula.
Swing, this
Swing,
is swing
swing.
here.
Yeah, this is swing, and your childrens can play very easily if they are boring with study, so they can play well, or they can get free of their pressure of mind. Sometimes they keep on study, so they can't study well in the pressure of in the pressure of study. So they can come here and as they can play as much as they want.
Yeah. As right now we are under the shade here. This is the shade of the tree, and as Arun sir explained something about the facilities of the school. As there is a swing, and if you want to be here, you will be really fortunate to be here. And there is a bus of our school.
Yeah, that's a very big facilities of our school. It reach the students home and for to carry the students. This is a very good vehicle to carry them. Sometimes the
And
parents.
this is what you see there. This is a podium, and here it is established for the student for the good prayer. And the students all gathered here in the morning in order to make prayer for God, and for as well as them. And this is the podium. This is the podium what you see right now, and there is a student. The students are called to stand there in order to make prayer, and when they do it, they are totally entertained and joyous. And it's podium.
Yeah, when we celebrate our annual day, the students can stand on this stage. You can see these are the stairs to go there, and after that, they can give any kind of speech.
And here there are some small plants that are going to be given water in order to grow up, and it's irrigation for the plants, and in the middle of the plants there are also some roses here, and it's a park of the car and of the bike. The bike is parked here. This is also a suitable place for the bike, for all the vehicles, and we would like to move on to the remaining criteria in order to see all of you.
Okay, let's see you in other criteria. Hey,
Hello, I am Zaid. Right now, this is the second part of our school, and here we have just reached somewhere else to see you some reasonable things here.
Yeah.
As this is a gallery in our school, and here there are lots of classes run here. As it's class of nursery.
yeah,
and
this
so
is the
on so
class of
forth.
nursery.
So on so forth, we would like to go ahead for the next class, and it's first. It's first what you see. This is the first class, first B. And in the same way, if you go ahead, then you will be given many classes. This is LKG 1, and there are lots of windows here you can see. And it's colorful. It's printed. It's in color. And this is the second school. This is second class that is totally locked. Second A, and as in the same way, nursery has also come here, and in the same way, this is the last class. This is the last class.
Second
of
B.
Second B.
This is the part of second class.
And I think you all must got entertainment, and you must be very very joyous why you are accustomed to seeing us, and looking at the climatic change, looking at the color, and looking at the classes right now. These are helpful for all of
Classes
you.
is going right now.
And right now there is a clock here. You can
Yeah,
see.
you can see.
It's clock.
The
Ah.
12,
It
30.
strikes 12 and a half. It is going to be 12 and a half. And right now we would like
Pure
to
water.
upstairs.
Water. This is the water
This
of.
is the water, and
There is a facility of purifying water.
this machine purifies the waters, and then we are able to
Drink safe
drink
water.
it. We are able to have drought. This is the machine in order to purify the waters, and like we will like to upstairs.
Yeah, you can see there is a stairs we are climbing.
We are going to be upstairs right now, and there we will also be given many classes, many reasonable classes, many good atmosphere. You will also see them with your own eyes, and you will also get entertainment by watching that.
Yeah, if you are able to see
As
there,
here there is also a class named
third A.
Third A. And in the same way, if you go ahead a bit, then you will see another class. Yeah, this is third B.
This is third B class. And in the class, if we enter in the class, you can see these are the artificial drawing of to our children who made.
Yes. We would like to go ahead. Go there, go somewhere. As I think in nutshell, in short, I can say that I made all of you laugh, and I saw you many things here in our school, and I think you got totally entertained, and you are so many happy. Right now we would like to go ahead as as in the class, if you talk to all of you about fourth B, and there is a class, and inside the class there are lots of chairs, lots of artificial things existed here, and here there is also whiteboard there, and in beside the whiteboard there is also a window, and through the window, if you peep, then you will see many natural things there.
Yeah, this is right.
and it's also a class